So welcome back, readers. So today I have Rey from Star Wars. This is set 41602 and it has 119 pieces. It's been a long time. Yes! It has been a long time since I did that correctly. There. Insert that to that. Okay, I'll see you after the time lapse. So welcome back from the time lapse. So this is Rey. So Rey was from the previous ones I built, Rey was kind of weird because this part is usually like the first one I built, there was like a huge this one, and were like more easier, but this one, but Rey is like really fast to build than the other ones. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.